Good morning, student. Today our topic is about the traditional compilation process. Traditional compilation process, in the sense we are going to learn how the Java programs are going to be compiled in the computer. Okay, how exactly the compilations are done in the computer. Okay, now first thing is source code. We have compiler, object code, and the execution objects. Source code is the language that we use to write the program. That program will be converted by the compilers. Okay, these are all called as compilers. Now the compilers are what? They are the kind of a program which are converting the source code to the object code. Now once the object codes are been done, object codes means the object code what the computer can understand and give us the output. Okay, using what are the things that we get the output? Using this system, these hardwares are used to get the output. So this is a process about the traditional compilation of the processes. Next is about the Java compilation. What is a Java compilation? Again, a Java compilation, here also the similar way Java compilation process follows, that the Java source code, okay, any Java program that we are typing it in the computer, it will be converted by the Java compiler. Now what are Java compilers? We have two types of Java compilers, that is interpreter and last class we have seen, that is interpreter and compiler. Okay, now interpreter means it will compile the source code line by line, and the compilers, they convert the source code at once. Okay, it will check everything at once and it will try to convert everything into byte code. What is a byte code? Means this is a kind of a object code, means what a system can understand. Byte codes are the codes which is converted everything into zeros and ones, and we know that the computer understand only the binary languages, and using this things, JVM. What is a JVM? It is a machine. Okay, it is a machine where this binary code is running, and once it is executed ready to give the output, it will display you using this hardware devices. So this is about the Java compilation processes. Now Java JVM is Java virtual machine. Okay, it is a platform. Please remember, JVM means it is a machine, or it is a platform where the Java codes are running, where these byte codes are running. This is about your Java compilation process. Next is about your features of Java. Java features are, first one is your simple language. Java is a simple language, means compared to all other programming language, Java is the most simple language and easy to understand and implement it, use it in the computer. Robust means, the meaning of the robust is, when we run the program, it can easily check the error, rectify the error, and it will tell you what is the error. Using two types of processes that we had, two types of compilation that the Java is using, that is compilation process and interpreter. Okay, compilation means it, when you, after typing the program, once you click on compilation, it will go and check whether there is any error or not. If there is an error, it will blink in a yellow in color, and it will tell you down below what is the error and which line does the error exist. So it is easy to compile and check the error and correct it. Next is secure. Secure means the security. When we try to use the program using the applet, it will not allow any of the damages or the miscellaneous software to be used. Okay, we can access, we can give particular passwords where we can keep our program safe. This is about the security. Objects means all the programs that we write it in the Java are written in the form of object, means we can make a program using one particular concept and we can write the program. Suppose if you are executing student detail, so we have a different detail that we can collect on the a student. So that is a object. We are selecting one particular object, and using that object we can give a multiple detail about that particular data. Okay, next is a platform independence. Platform independence means we can run the Java program on any of the platform, means any of the operating system or the hardware devices. It does not depend on one particular software, one particular operating system. So this process is called as platform independent. Multi-threading means it is also a multi-threaded programming language. Now thread, meaning of the thread is a program. Okay, now there are multiple processes that can be done or that can be run in one computer, that is called as multi-threaded. So you can think about the games that we play in the phone, and the games, if you see, we play, and in that game you can see there are so many things you can watch. You can see the score, you can see the graphics, and there are hundreds of other features that is present in that single application. So these kind of processes, when we have it in one particular software, that is called as one particular application, that is called as multi-threaded. So there are 5 main features. Usually there are 10 features of Java, but we are learning main 5 features of Java. So that's all about this chapter. Please go through this Java compilation process. You will understand, since you haven't done the programming still in the computer. So it you can just, if you have your computer, you can understand that when you type it in the source code, means you are writing the program in the high level language, which is called a source code, and then it is then when you compile it, it is doing the process of compilation, and then the particular code is converted to bytecode, and where the program is running in the platform called as JVM. Okay, so this is about the Java compilation.